Take a look around you. Yes, the world is full of scientific marvels. From the atomic building blocks of life to the deepest depth of outer space, there are a lot of things to awe over. Add your body to the list. Yes, the human body is truly an incredible specimen. The human body is one of the most complicated and fascinating living forms on earth. Don't believe it? Take a look at these 10 facts and you will be surprised. Yes, you will be surprised at what you learn. So let's start the session without wasting time. But wait, let me start the session in my way. So guys, once again, welcome back to this amazing platform of science facts. And in today's video, I will tell you 10 amazing facts related with the human body, which will blow your mind completely. So let's move towards the first fact. The first one is, the acid in your stomach is strong enough to dissolve razor blades. Yes, razor blades I am talking about. While you certainly shouldn't test the fortitude of your stomach by eating a razor blade, yes, or any other metal object for that matter. The acids that digest the food you eat are not to be taken lightly because it's HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. The type of acid found in your stomach is not only good at dissolving the pizza you had for your dinner, but can also eat through many types of metals. Let's move towards the second one. Second one is the blondes have more hair. Yes, blondes. They are said to have more fun and they definitely have more hair. Hair color actually determines how dense the hair on your head is. The average human has 100,000 hair follicles, each of which is capable of producing 20 individuals' hair during a person's lifetime. Blondes average having 146,000 hair follicles, while people with black hair tend to have 110,000 follicles. Those with brown hair fit the average with 100,000 follicles, and redheads have the least dense hair with about 86,000 follicles. Okay, let's move towards the third one. That is, we are about 1 centimeter taller in the morning. Yes, in the morning we are 1 centimeter taller than in the evening. Because the cartilage between our bones get compressed by standing, sitting and other daily activities as the day goes on, making us just a little shorter at the end of the day than at the beginning of the day. Let's move towards the fourth fact. You know guys, babies are born with 300 bones, but by adulthood the number is reduced to 206. And the reason for this is that many of the bones of children are composed of smaller component bones that are not yet fused like those in the skull. This makes it easier for the baby to pass through the birth canal. The bones harden and fuse as the children grow. Simple. Let's move towards the fifth one. During your lifetime, you will produce enough saliva to fill 2 swimming pools. Saliva plays an important part in the beginning of the digestive process and keeping the mouth lubricated all the time, and your mouth produces quite a bit of it on a daily basis. Amazing one? Yes. Next one, that is the sixth one. The largest cell in the human body is the female egg and the smallest cell is the male sperm. While you can't see skin cells or muscle cells, the ovum is typically large enough to be seen with the naked eye with a diameter of about 1 millimeter. And the sperm cell on the other hand is tiny, consisting of little more than nucleus. Let's move towards the seventh one. Every human spent about half an hour as a single cell. Yes, single cell. Every human. All life has to be begun somewhere, and even the largest human spent a short part of their lives as a single-celled organism when a sperm and egg cells first combine. Shortly afterward, the cell began rapidly dividing and began forming the components of a tiny embryo. Here you can see that. Now the eighth one is that the tooth is the only part of the human body that can't repair itself. If you have ever chipped a tooth, you know just how sadly true this one. Be careful, guys. The outer layer of the tooth is enamel, which is not a living tissue, but it is the hardest substance of your body, and since it's not alive, it can't repair itself, leaving your dentist to do the work instead. Okay, let's move to the ninth one, that is every tongue print is unique. Yes, if you are planning on committing a crime and don't think you will get away with leaving a tongue print behind. Each tongue is different and yours could be unique enough to finger you as the culprit. Be careful. Now the last one but not the least one, that is the 10th one. The brain itself cannot feel any pain. Yes, while the brain might be the pain center when you cut your finger or burn yourself, the brain itself does not have pain receptors and cannot feel pain. That doesn't mean that you cannot hurt. The brain is surrounded by lots of tissues, nerves and blood vessels that are plenty receptive to pain and can give you a pounding headache. So guys, how do you like this video? So these were the actually 10 amazing facts related with your human body. So guys, that's all about today's video. How do you like this video? How do you like actually these amazing facts of the human body? Tell me in the comment section and share your amazing facts along with me in the comment sections again. So see you soon in my next video. Till then, just stay tuned with me. Bye bye.